Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another ship spotting video. Today's going to be a different one. We're not really staying for sailaways kind of like we did with the Independence a few weeks ago. But I am heading home from Christmas from my parents' house, so I do want to stop by. I drive right by the port. So I figured I'd stop by. We were planning on doing a full ship spotting day because Anthem of the Seas was supposed to be here. It's going to be a full 6-ship day in Port Canaveral. And turns out the Anthem of the Seas is skipping Port Canaveral. So that's very much a bummer, but we pretty much decided to scrap the whole ship spotting day, even though there are 5 ships: Mardi Gras, Harmony, Carnival Elation, Carnival Magic, Disney Fantasy, and I think that's it. But yeah, so we decided to scrap the whole day of ship spotting, but I did want to do a little bit of filming just to at least get some footage of the ships, so that's what we're doing today. And on top of that, I did want to test out a new GoPro that I got, because as some of you may know, we bricked my old GoPro Hero 5 on the water slides at Coco Cay, and so I got a new GoPro Hero 10 for Christmas, so I did want to try it out just a little bit as well. So that's what actually this is filming on right now. My main camera is in my bag. It's not available for me to even grab right now, so that kind of sucks. So we're doing everything on today's video on the new GoPro Hero 10 just to try it out and see how it is. So hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's roll the ship spotting footage.